going to Des Moines to go see our boys at Off the Line because I kind of burnt off all the tires on the Challenger. So we're gonna take a trip out there and put new tires on the Challenger. I broke one of the studs off in the Evo last night, putting it back together, so might as well just get one car running. So that's a project for another day. But we can definitely get some new tires on the car. Ugh. Our plethora of vehicles over here. Yeah, they definitely need to be replaced. So we'll go do that. Ready for a trip to Des Moines?
Let's go. Sir, it still smells like Burnouts in here.
The old Scat Pack. It's a fun car. So, yep, off to Des Moines. Comfy over there? Well, time to do some sketchy shit on these bald ass tires. It's like driving on drag radials. Well, fun. Made it to Des Moines, and we're gonna go to Zombie Burger. So I forgot the bid meter. Is that the normal thing? Are you supposed to?
Is the car still there?
I don't know. You're supposed to pay with the meter? I thought it's Saturday. Isn't that free?
No, we're not.
Oh. Well, oops. There she is. She's still there. She didn't get towed.
It's 5 minutes.
I mean, you were concerned.
I was concerned that by the time we got done with lunch, we wouldn't have a car in Des Moines.
It'd be fine. You're doing a good job there.
Thanks.
Well,
I'm running out of quarters.
uh-oh.
So take dimes, pennies.
Probably not. Ready? And
Go!
go!
Oh! One more. One more. That one's gonna be loud.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, we got plenty of room to go. We only have 30 pounds in. God damn. It's the lip protector.
Oh yeah.
Anything you need to press, we have to press. Yeah, that fits. That was one of the necessities. It's like, what do we need? Because
What the f going on? I just want a car wash. Okay, it's in park. It is. Stop yelling at me. Last night, I broke one of the studs off the turbo in the Evo, trying to fix a major boost leak, and well, I figured I'd tap it out later. The wife wants to take the Evo out tonight to the meet, so I got my handy dandy vice grip there, and we'll see what she does.
Seems safe.
It'll be all right. Oh, she's running. I'm gonna go to a local car meet called Team Uninvited, my car club, and go see some of the local cars. Sounds better. That's what we're doing. Thanks, bro. We are at Cruisers for the Team Uninvited Saturday night meet, and there are a lot of cars here. It's been a long time since we've had a meet, but we're here to bring back the car scene, I guess. So we'll walk around a little bit. Austin, tell me what's going on here.
A lot of cars.
A lot of cars? Oh. Oh.
We're at the Team Uninvited meet.
There we go.
Cruisers.
Oh, there we
Hitting it
go.
up. Where you at?
Hi.
Dad, I missed you.
Hi. Hello.
Hi.
Hey. Hey. How's it going?
How are you, man?
What are you doing? You think you're gonna make music come out of it?
Yeah, with my blown speakers, yeah.
Oh, rip. This thing's sweet.
Hi, Sergio.
That was good.